This video presentation is brought to you by Bucky, and a great thanks to viewers like you who like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you. The creator of this video is a shareholder of Storm Ruger and Company Incorporated. Amazon links below also provide a small kickback to the author. Everything else in this video is purchased through private funds. Thank you. Adding quick detach sling swivels to the Ruger 10-22 rifle. You're going to need these tools and materials to add the quick detach rear sling socket of the 10-22 rifle. GroveTech limited rotation, quick detach socket, push button base, 1/4-inch hex wrench, drill, 1/2-inch Forstner drill bit, tap and die set, 9/16 inch by 18 UNIF, high-speed steel bottoming tap, masking tape, and epoxy. Ensure the rifle is clear and no ammunition is present in the work area. Always follow basic firearm safety rules. Figure out the location of the rear sling socket and place masking tape over the area of the buttstock that you would like to have drilled. Mark the location of your first hole. Start drilling and make sure you drill the appropriate depth to adequately seat the quick detach socket. Clear and clean up any wood shavings. Take your tap and die set and tap. Thread the hole until the tap bottoms out. After you test fitment of the quick detach socket, mix epoxy. Once epoxy is mixed, add to the bottom of the socket as well as the threaded portion. Thread the socket into the prepared hole. Thread in the sling swivel socket with a 1/4-inch hex wrench. Clean up excess epoxy. Let the epoxy cure for 24 hours. Installing the front sling swivel, you're going to need a hollow ground flat screwdriver, a torque driver with 532 hex wrench, and Samson front swivel quick detach barrel band. Remove the stock front swivel with a hollow ground flat screwdriver. Loosen the screw and slide the barrel band forward. Add the new barrel band to the front of the rifle. Keep in mind the orientation of the barrel band and sling attachment point. If right-handed, have the sling attachment point face to the left side of the rifle. Slide the barrel band to the rifle and tighten the torque driver to 10 foot-pounds. Once the sling is attached to the Ruger 10-22 rifle, enjoy! Now you can enjoy sling capabilities for your rifle.